I decided last minute to go on a quick shopping spree at my local thrift store after work. I really enjoy looking at these smaller items that I can sell in my booth that I have at an antique mall, so I'm always looking at the glassware and ceramic pieces. I thought this Campbell's Soup coffee mug was pretty neat, but when I looked it up, it didn't seem to be worth as much as I thought it would be. And the prices on this cup range from about $5 to $25, but I did get one in the past and it didn't seem to sell too quickly. So I held off, but I probably should have got it. And then I saw something I knew I was going to buy, this super cute gnome cup. He is a Transpoc Every Day is a Holiday Birch Gnome coffee mug, and I will give you the details at the end here. This cutie is in my basket. Thrift stores, I think, are just great because you see so many interesting things, but not only that, if you're looking for vintage or antique, you can find a treasure there, but also if you're not into that and you're just looking for pieces that you can use for crafts, those are all things that I'm interested in doing, so the thrift store provides a lot of pleasure for me to look through all of this neat stuff. See cool things that bring back memories. And check this out, a Kit Kat coffee cup. I have one of these in my booth. It has not sold yet. I'm gonna pass on that today. In my research, these Kit Kat cups range anywhere from $5 to $10. There are usually a lot of coffee mugs at the thrift store, but you just have to go through them to see if you can find any good ones. And also remember that the prices, just like everywhere else, have gone up. Just looking what they have for different platters and plates. I love looking at the glassware, and look what I found, these beautiful hand-blown wine glasses. These look a bit like these Pier 1 swirl line glasses, but I think these are vintage kitchen glasses, possibly. Two of the glasses look like these here, and these vintage glasses may possibly be the same as the swirl line, I'm not sure. Look what we have here. Some super cool vintage metal trays, but I'm gonna wait to the end to show you those up close. I am always on the lookout for some small pieces of furniture that I can do DIY with, and today didn't see much of anything that I felt I needed to buy or couldn't live without. They do have a lot of larger furniture though that seems to be in pretty good shape. Not bad anyway for a starter apartment or something. This is a cool jacket shirt. It's by the company Pol, P-O-L. Shirt jackets are actually called shackets. In my research, they go for about $40 to $70. I didn't even check the price because I was here just for some smaller items for my booth or to sell on Etsy. Here are not the exact shackets, but similar ones. Another item that you might find sometimes at the thrift stores are these Moscow Mule cups. They're copper with the gold handle here. I already have some still at my booth that haven't sold yet, so I'm going to pass on this today. But they are considered a rare find, these here with this particular shaped handle. I have had some luck from time to time in the men's shoes, especially finding a brand new pair of shoes. Now the prices have gone way up. This is a brand new pair of Stroll golf shoes, but they are $24.99, so I'm going to pass on that. But these shoes go for $70 plus. I like the gray ones better, but here I found some blue ones, and it shows that they are going for $70. And what woman doesn't love handbags? I cannot not take a look at what they have. But going through the handbags today, just quickly, nothing popped out for me. When I was looking through the books, I came across this book, The Onion's Finest News Reporting. Apparently it's a humorous periodical. I researched the value of this book, and it seems to range anywhere from $3.73 to about $14.01 used. And as I had my cart in the checkout line, I felt something staring at me, so I turned around and saw this super cute monkey on the Goodwill's display of green items. So I'm excited to show you my thrift purchases in person here that I got on my quick shopping spree. We are going to start with the little monkey that stared me down when I was going to check out. He is super cute. He is a dandy collector's choice little monkey. He's just a lot of fun. He's going to let you see him up close. Dandy. So I'm gonna sit him down so that he can watch with us as we open the rest of the items. I really thought these were cool. These old collectible vintage metal trays. This one is the New Breed Mustang 79. It gives a history on the back about the Mustang, which I think is super sharp. I think this will be a great seller. If anyone watching is interested in this purchase, you can contact me at Poppin PJ at hotmail.com. Best offer accepted. On these beautiful trays. Here is another one. It says announcing a Ford new pickup body for Ford Runabout. It does have information about the Model T Ford Runabout here on the front. The next one we have here is a dashing new Ford Roadster. And again, it has information on here. I'll give a close-up of those here momentarily. All right. So, I'm going to very carefully open up my hand-blown glasses here, wine glasses. I think they are just gorgeous. So there's one. Need a little ambiance here from my spoolwood table I made. I have a cool video on how I did this spool table. It's pretty neat and different from others that I've seen. So check it out if you're interested in that kind of thing too. Continuing on now. These are just so gorgeous. Again, I will show a close-up of those here in just a moment. We'll save that and open that in just a minute. Here is this one with this swirl pattern. I love red, and I love wine glasses. I love jars and glasses, and I have plenty. So I'm probably gonna sell these. Although they're gorgeous, I could keep them. So again, if you're interested in any of these thrift finds, best offer, poppinpj at hotmail.com. Here's one with like the dots on it, super sharp. One. So here's another one with the dots. So I have these beautiful glasses, two with the dots, two with this kind of a pattern here, just kind of like vertical markings with the red, and then one with the kind of swirls going around like an 8 around the sides. And then two more here. So sorry, I have two of each of those. So here's another one with the swirl 8s going around the side. And in my research here, these glasses go for around $30 a glass. And then this one doesn't match those, but it was still a beautiful hand-blown wine glass, so I had to get it. It has the green and red, and then it's wound around the stem with the red and green. I think that's just gorgeous. I could totally have a glass of wine from this. And this particular glass is probably worth at least $10 a piece. I sure could. And they're all hand-blown glass. And the last of the finds that I got, and remember this little thrift spree was less than $25. Yes. Is this super cute coffee cup gnome, and he is a Transpoc Every Day is a Holiday birch gnome mug. As you can see here, he's part of a set of 4, and for the set of 4 is $72.95. Super, super cute. I know that this will definitely sell, because who doesn't like gnomes? So as I promised, here is an up-close look at the beautiful hand-blown glasses. The super adorable gnome. our favorite dandy monkey, vintage 1976 dashing new Ford Roadster retro Ford collectible metal tray, vintage 1977 announcing new pickup body for Ford Runabout metal tray, and last but not least, the collectible new breed of Mustang 1979 rare vintage metal tray. If you're interested in any of these pieces, poppinpj@hotmail.com. That's all of the Poppin thrift finds I have today to show you. So until next time, see ya! Poppin PJ has something for you, so please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.